Good morning, guys. All right, we are ready for Saxon Phonics lesson 127. Remember, yesterday we worked on those suffixes ER and EST. All right, so our letter name cards have not changed. But let's go ahead and practice some of those sounds because we had some new sounds from the week before. So we have final syllable T-I-O-N, digraph U-E, diphthong O-U, ghost, digraph K-N, digraph E-I, trigraph T-C-H, digraph or diphthong O-W, trigraph D-G-E, digraph A-Y, diphthong O-Y, digraph E-Y, digraph A-W, final syllable D-L-E, digraph EA, digraph AU, digraph IE, ghost, digraph GN, combination AR, digraph EW, digraph OA, final syllable GLE, combination QU, final syllable BLE, combination WH, ghost, digraph WR, digraph PH, diphthong OI, and then final syllable FLE. All right, let's look at our letter sound cards now. Are you ready? So we have toy, oi, diphthong OY, pie, I, digraph IE, cashew, ooh, digraph EW, faucet, ah, digraph AU, straw, ah, digraph AW, shield, E, digraph IE, phone, digraph PH, wallet, ah. Then we have A and put our two dots. Bird, combination IR, reef, ghost, digraph WR, lotion, shun, final syllable TION, steak, A, digraph EA, mouse, ow, diphthong OU, thread, digraph EA, gnat, ghost, digraph GN, cow, ow, diphthong OW, patch, trigraph TCH, leaf, E, digraph EA, light, I, trigraph IGH, key, E, digraph EY, veil, A, digraph EA, glue, U, digraph UE, soap, O, digraph OA, receipt, E, digraph EI, bridge, J, trigraph DGE, star, R, combination AR, knot, ghost, digraph KN, oil, OI, diphthong OI, well, W, digraph WH, giraffe, J, soft G. Very good. All right, we're going to try to put the alphabet in order. On the next slide, we're going to move the letters around to show our entire alphabet. Remember, our initial letter in the alphabet is A, and then we work our way left all the way to right to our final letter, which is Z. Let's just go ahead and say them one time. Are you ready? But we're going to say them. We're not going to sing them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. All right, so find our lowercase letters. We're going to start with our initial letter, A. That's right, so here's A. What needs to come next after A? B. Very good. I'm going to pull these two letters up. Which one is my B? That's right, the first one, because it's got a belly going forward. Its belly is facing the right, like we're going across. B, and then what comes next? C, good job. Then D, perfect after D. E, good job. Then F, awesome after F. G, good job. Then H, that's right. And I, then J, good job. Then K and L, that's right. Then M and N. Oh, perfect. And then P, good job. After that, Q, then R, then S, that's right, and T, then U and V, then W, X, and Y, and Z. Good job. All right, let's try to put these words in alphabetical order, okay? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to read through them real quick because I want to see if you can see, categorize or put these words and see what they have in common. Ready? Oh, this is that trick. Remember, this is that O that makes the sound, that schwa sound. Mother. And then we have brother. Very good. Then we have sister. Good job. And father, uncle, and grandmother. So what are all these words have in common? They are all members of our family. That's exactly right. So remember, we just put our letters in ABC order. So what was that initial letter? A, very good. Do I have any words that start with A? No. What comes after A? B, good job. So we have B, we have brother. After B, no words with C. How about D? E, F. Yes, what word was it? Father, very good. After F, G. Yes, what did we have down here? Grandmother, good job. So G, then H, I, J, K, L, M. Yes, we have mother. So mother would be number 4. How about N? No. O, P, Q, R, S. Yes, what word was it? Sister. Good job. T, U. What do we have? Uncle. So it's going to be 6. So if we put these words in alphabetical order, we would say brother, father, grandmother, mother, sister, and uncle. Good job. All right, you're going to echo the words I say and listen for the sound that's in the final position. Are you ready? Joyful, useful, careful. Let's try it one more time. Joyful, useful, careful. What did you hear? That's right, we heard the full, that full sound. So what do you think, what letters make that full sound? Joyful, careful, useful. That's right, we say F-U-L. Now, if we're spelling the word full by itself, it's F-U-L-L. But since we're adding this just to the end of the word, we're going to do F-U-L. So what do you think that suffix F-U-L is for? I mean, if I cover it up, I can tell it's a suffix because if I read the first part of the word joy, joy is a root word by itself. Care makes sense, and use makes sense. So what do you think that word full means? Suffix F-U-L what it means is you're full of something. So if you're joyful, you're full of joy. Careful, you're fully being careful. Useful, you're full of uses, okay? So we figured out what it means. It's kind of an easy one, isn't it? Okay. Suffix ful, we said means full of something. So you can see that we code suffix ful just like we code other suffixes. We're going to box it off, okay? And then do you think it is a vowel suffix or a consonant suffix? It's a consonant suffix because it begins with F. So, and then you can see how we coded the rest of the words. On joy, joy is really easy to code because all it has is that OY diphthong that we're just going to arc together. Careful, remember, is that A sneaky E. Useful is that U sneaky E. Now, we're going to talk about one more thing that you might today, okay? Look at this word and what do you notice? We have carefully. Carefully. That's right. This word has more than one suffix. So it is possible. There's just a few words that do it. Because look, I've got that ly, which is a suffix, and then the ful. So all I have to do is I just have to do another box. I'd have to box off full and ly. So it's a little bit tricky. There's not many words that do that, though. All right, we're going to go ahead and pull our activity sheet so we can practice writing and coding that suffix ful. Hi guys, all right, we're going to go ahead and start working on our activity sheet for lesson 127. And remember, we were talking about the suffix ful or full. Okay, and we learned that suffix ful means full of. So when you say careful, it means you're full of care, like you're being, and joyful means you're full of joy. So let's go ahead and start practicing by trying to spell some of our spelling sounds. Are you ready? So if I make the p sound, how do you spell the p sound? That's right, it's the letter P. All right, what about the like ring sound? That's right, it's NG, digraph NG. How about t, t? That's right, T. But at the end, if you hear that t sound, it could be T. But remember, it could also be a trick. It could be ED. Remember that ED sounds like the t sound sometimes. How about Z, Z? That's right, Z or S. How about N? N, perfect. How about ah, ah? That's right, short O. But remember, the ah sound can also sound like, remember, AU like faucet or ah like AW too. How about the w sound? W, good job. How about ooh, ooh? O, perfect. How about ul? It can be L or it can be final, LL. All right, and then for our last sound, how about the v sound? That's right, V, but if it's at the end, it's final VE because we can't leave that V by itself. All right, on number 11, we're going to try to spell the word new. New. Like I knew something, though, because new, like it's brand new, is spelled differently. If it's new, like I knew what you were thinking, we're going to do the KN because it's that ghost digraph, and then ooh, EW, okay? If I left off that K, it would be like new, like something's brand new. What about blue? Not like the color blue, but like I blew on a dandelion. It'd be bull, BL, and then that EW. So in those, it really depends how you spell it by what your meaning is, okay? What if I want to spell the word helpful? Helpful. I've got H, then L, but remember it's that EL. Elp, P, and then full. FUL. That's right. How about hopeful? So I need to make the word hope. H, then O, P. But since the long O, I need a sneaky E and then full. F-U-L. Very good. How about thankful? Thankful, I've got T-H. Very good. Then A-N-K. And then full. F-U-L. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and code some words. What do you notice on number 16? That's right. Suffix F-U-L, full. Go ahead and box it off. And then what else do I have? I've got a U in front of an S, so it's going to be short. And I've got several blends. I've got trust, trustful. Trustful, very good. How about number 17? That's right, box off that suffix F-U-L, or full. All right, and then you've got an A in front of an S, so it's short. I've got double S, so I can cross one off, so glass, glassful, glassful. How about the next one? That's right, suffix F-U-L, box it off. I in front of the S, so it's short. Cross off one of those S's, bliss, blissful, blissful, very good. How about number 19? That's right, box off that F-U-L. I've got an A consonant E, so A sneaky E. Now remember, this C is in front of an E, so I got to put that cedilla sound on it. So grace, graceful. And our last one? That's right, box off that F-U-L again. I've got another A consonant E words, so long A, sneaky E, hate, hateful. So trustful, glassful, blissful, graceful, and hateful. So what matches the picture? Glassful, very good. All right, on number 21, what do you notice? That's right, I've got suffix est, so box it off. Then what else do I have? Digraph ee, so that means long E, silent E. Deep, deepest, deepest, very good. How about the next one? That's right, suffix er, we always check the end. Then what else do I have? I've got an O in front of an N, so it's short. Strong, stronger, stronger, very good. How about the next one? This is actually a compound word, so we're going to have to break apart keyhole. Where do you think I'm going to break apart keyhole? After the Y, that's right. So we're going to have to code that EY, and we know what happens with EY? Long E, silent Y. So K-E, and then over on the last one, what do we have? O, sneaky E. So long O, sneaky E. Hole, keyhole. And our last word, what do you see? Well, we've got vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I know I'm going to break it apart right here. I've got key, short O because it's CVC. And then over here I've got that EY. So long E, sneaky Y, K-E. Donkey. Very good. So we're going to match it to the picture. All right, on the back, we have several words. We have sun, tree, running, girl, trotting, horse, dog, shining, riding, chasing, cat, playful. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to try to write some sentences, okay? So what's going on right here? That's right, the girl. So the girl, what is she doing? Is riding, very good. Is riding, what's she riding? The horse, very good. All right, what else could we write? What's this doing? The dog, what's that dog doing? Is chasing. chasing. Very good. The cat. All right. I want to see if you can think of one more sentence with the other words that we didn't use, okay? All right, you guys did an awesome job. Thank you.